Welcome to Happy Professional Training. Today we are solving a coding and decoding practice set, which is an important topic for job interviews, competitive exams as well as aptitude tests. First, let's understand what is coding and decoding. This is a reasoning trick where words, letters or numbers are written in a coded form using a specific pattern. What is your task here? You need to find the pattern and then decode the message. Today's practice set is focused on letter coding. Letter coding is where words are written in a coded form by applying a specific pattern or a rule. We need to identify the pattern and apply it to another word. Before solving these type of questions, I recommend you to first write this number letter table on the rough sheet provided. To code a letter, we replace each letter with its position in the alphabet. Start with A, which is 1, then B is 2, C is 3 and continue up to Z, which is 26. You should also note the reverse positions where start A as 26, B 25, C is 24 and so on to Z, which is 1. This will make it easier to recognize patterns and solve questions faster. Grab a pen and paper. I'll give you 20 seconds to solve the questions. If you need more time, feel free to pause the video. Once you're done, I'll explain the answer to you. CAT is written as ECV. Look at the first letter, C. If we move 2 steps forward in the alphabet, we get E. Similarly, A moves 2 steps forward to get C. Finally, T moves 2 steps forward to get V. Now, let's apply the same pattern to the word dog. D becomes F, O becomes Q, and G becomes I. So, C is the correct answer. Here, garden is written as H, Z, S, C, F, M. Look at the first letter. G moves 1 position forward to get H. A moves minus 1 position to get Z. R plus 1 is S. D minus 1 is C. E plus 1 is F. M minus 1 is M. So, it follows plus 1 minus 1 pattern. Now, let's apply the same thing to planet. So, it's plus 1, minus 1. Plus 1, minus 1, plus 1 and minus 1. E plus 1 Q, L minus 1 K, A plus 1 is B, N minus 1 is M, E plus 1 is F, T minus 1 is S. So B is the right answer here. Here, market is written as R-A-M-K-E-T. Here, most of the letters remain the same, A, K, E and T. If you look closely, the first and the third letter are swapped. Here, M becomes R and R becomes M. Let's apply the same thing to lantern. Except for the first and third one, let's write all the remaining letters. Now swap L and N and it becomes N-A-L-T-E-R-N. So A is the right answer. Here G-O-L-D is written as T-L-O-W. Find G in the table below. It is in the position 7. Similarly, the reverse order position 7 has the letter T. So, G in normal order matches T in reverse order in terms of position. Similarly, let's do it for O. O is in the 15th position. Similarly, in the reverse order, in 15th position, we have L. Same way, L is in 12th position and reverse order has O in 12th position. Now, D is in 4th position. In reverse order, 4th position has W. Now, let's apply the same pattern to the word SHINE. S is in the 19th position. In reverse order, 19th has the letter H. Now, H is in the 8th position. Reverse order has S for 8th position. Similarly, I is in 9th position. Equivalently, 9th position has R. N is in 14th position. In the reversal order, M has 14. E is in 5th position and in reverse order we have V in 5th position. So HSRNV is the right answer. M is coded as O, N is coded as P, O is coded as Q. Now what's the pattern here? M plus 2 is O, N plus 2 is P and O plus 2 is Q. Now let's decode the word monsoon. We already have data for M, which is O, O is Q, again N is P, O is Q, O is Q and N is P. We know that all the letters move by 2 letters. So S plus 2 is U. So D is the correct answer. Now look at this word swims. The entire word is reversed. Look here. Let's apply the same to frogs. So reverse the entire word. It becomes SGORF. So B is the correct answer. Here, word is written as DORW. Here, the middle words O and R still remains the same, but the first letter and the last letter has been swapped. Let's apply the same to cloud. Middle letters stay the same. So LOU I am writing. Then I am going to swap the first and the last letter. So D and last becomes C. So DLOUC is the correct answer. So option A is correct here. Here, table is written as V, C, D, N, G. Here, T plus 2 is V, A plus 2 is C, B plus 2 is D, L plus 2 is N and E plus 2 is G. Here, every letter is moved 2 steps forward. Let's apply the same to chair. C plus 2 is what? C plus 2 is E. H plus 2 is J. A plus 2 is C. I plus 2 is K and R plus 2 is T. So, C is the correct answer. Storm is written as U, R, Q, P, O. Let's understand the pattern here. Plus 2 is U, T minus 2 is R, O plus 2 is Q, R minus 2 is P, and M plus 2 is O. Let's apply the same pattern to glass. G plus 2 is I, L minus 2 is J, A plus 2 is C, S minus 2 is Q, and S plus 2 is U. So B is the correct answer. I want you to work out this question and give your answers in the comments below. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.